Sometimes we need to get your signature remotely for things like a new account form or letter of authorization. That's when e-signature comes in handy. Our office can email you a form. Click on View Documents. For security, you'll be asked to confirm your identity with your mobile phone, so have it handy. If you see more than one phone number listed, click the correct one, then choose Send SMS. Look for your text message. You'll get a code that you'll enter right here. Then click Confirm. Once you're in DocuSign, click either of the location choice buttons. Take a look at this disclosure at the top, and then click Agree. Then choose Continue. At the top of the document, there's a Start tab you can click that will take you right to the spot where you need to sign off. Click on the sign line and then Adopt and Sign. Your last step is to click Finish. If you'd like to download or print, here's your chance. One last click on Continue, and your signed document is sent to us. It's that easy. Run into any problems? Give us a call.